how to set up TikTok Shop commissions. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how you will be able to set up your TikTok Shop commissions. So over here right now, we're currently in TikTok and there are several things that you need to set up before you even reach the part where you manage your commissions. But for the sake of people who are trying to know as early as possible, what you need to do is to click on affiliate marketing over here on the top section on your seller center, and we will be redirected to the page where we will be able to manage our different affiliates. So the commissions is found under the collaborations, or rather under the campaigns over here. The affiliate center contains different sections. So you have collaborations, discover creators, manage creators, and partner campaigns over here. There's also analytics, affiliate orders, and sample requests over here, but the commissions will be found under the partner campaign. So if you view our marketplace over here, you will be able to see there will be commission rates over here, as you can see. So there are different commission rates depending on the product. And as a seller, you would like to know how to modify and change the commission rate. So to be able to do this, simply click on the seller initiated over here and click on create campaign. There is 4 basic steps over here. The first step is to enter your basic info, select your products, set creator preference, and review. So over here, we're going to make a test campaign name for now. Objective is to drive sales. Registration period, let's say today until today. At campaign period, let's say 11 to 13. There you go. Registration type open. And campaign exclusive, if you want, you could add that. An email you could add here as well. So akalmani@gmail. It's just a sample email. But these are the different information that you would need for the basic info. So you have your campaign name, description. Description is optional, but I would suggest that you add as much information as you can to provide the users or creators with the necessary information they need to know, so that when you guys are talking, the amount of questions would be lessened, because of course they now know what you are trying to look for and what you want based on the description. There's also objectives over here, so simply select the ones that you are trying to accomplish. There are different reasons why you would like to have a campaign or a commission, and this is different information. This will also allow the creator to know what they are going into, and there's also campaign exclusive that you would provide as an exclusive additional benefit to your creators, as you can see here. So anyway, success.com, click on continue. And over here, you're simply just going to select the product that you want to promote. You could select up to 200 products over here. So simply select it under this section, select the different products that you want, and you will be able to see here that there is a column for commission. So this is where you will be able to modify the commission by simply clicking on edit commission over here, which will just show a pop-up on a percentage that you are able to modify. For me, I don't have any products yet, because that is the first step that you would need to do before you could do campaigns or any commission related. So anyway, that is how you will be able to modify the commission. For the second step, you would need products, as you can see here. So I'll show you guys how to be able to add products and to ensure that they would successfully pass reviews. So to add a product, you're going to select products over here on the left side. Click on manage products, and in this page you will be able to see this section over here. Look over here on the top right, you will be able to see add new products. In the manage products, this is where you will be able to view all products that you have on your store currently selling. You have your live over here, currently live, inactive, reviewing, suspended, draft, or deleted. And over here, let's simply click on add new product. In the add new product section, you will be able to see that there are different categories that we need to fill up to successfully be able to add a product. And one of those information is the product image under basic information. So add image that is fitting and professionally taken. There's a template over here for you guys to ask or for you guys to take. So you have primary, secondary, different angle in use, variation, style, close-up, scale, and size. So those are the different suggested photos that you should add. So that would really help with the appearance or the professionability of your product. So if you want to add that, you could add that. You could also add a product name over here. Be as descriptive as possible. There's already a section over here where it says brand, content, scope of application, product type, main function, and feature, which will basically allow you or help you with the selection of your category over here. So let's select a random one for now. There we go. And what you're also going to need to do is to enter necessary product details. You could use AI to help you with your product information. Using AI could drastically save you a lot of time, but I would suggest that even if you use an AI generated description, you could still add some sparkles or like some edits of your own inside your description so that you are also part of who created the description. And also you could read through the description if it is actually talking about the product or the product is actually being described the way you want it to be. You could also upload video if you want to show yourself showing the video or showing the video in action. You could also upload that. It has a maximum file size of 100, so keep that in mind, and it should be between 9 by 16 to 16 by 9. And over here you could enter the price, shipping, and other information, and then you can simply click on submit for review. You notice that it is for submit for review, so it's not something that you could just easily add and automatically be up on your store, then you could automatically promote it under your campaign. It's not as easy as that. So what would happen is people would review it, and to ensure that your product successfully passed the review, make sure that it is within the rules and regulations. It's within the products that is allowed to be sold in TikTok Shop. Make sure that you are familiar with the rules, such as digital products are not allowed to be sold in TikTok Shop. Rather than not allowed, it is not really supported. So you have to keep that in mind as well. So that is not something you will be able to do. So be aware of the rules and regulations to ensure that your products will always pass the review, and you could take advantage of the campaigns over here and set up commissions to help promote your products and get a lot of sales. Although the commission will give percentage to the creator, you are able to control the amount of percentage they will be able to get, so you don't have to worry about losing too much, or you can be as generous as much as you want as well to your partner. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.